What's up guys, I'm Mia and today I'm showing you how to apply the Fresh Berry makeup look from the Fall 2023 edition of the look. I'm starting with foundation and concealer. I'm shade Bronze W110 and the Time Wise 3D Matte Foundation, and the Perfecting Concealer is Light Beige. Next I'll add Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow in Sunlit Rose across the base of my eyelid and the lower lash line. Then a bit of Golden Mauve to blend out the crease. You can use the shade Crystalline to enhance the eyes. I'm adding it just to my inner corner and right under the brow bone. A thin line of the new Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner in brown keeps the eyes looking natural, and I love that it's waterproof. I'm using Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara to finish the eyes, but you can use any of your favorite Mary Kay mascaras. A little bit of Mary Kay Chromafusion blush in the shade Shy Blush and highlighter in Glaze finishes the cheeks. My current favorite lip combo is the new Mary Kay waterproof lip liner in Berry, topped with the gel semi-shine lipstick in Appleberry. A great tip for perfect lips, take a little bit of concealer on a cream color brush to sharpen your outline. You can also use a little translucent powder on a fluffy all-over powder brush to set your lips. So what do you think of the look? Very cute, right? Show off your berry-inspired makeup look on social media. Tag Mary Kay US and use the hashtag MaryK60 so we can show you some love.